Planning your first trip to Japan? Don't book that flight until you hear these 4 essential tips that every first-time traveler wishes they knew before landing. I'm excited. So let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with the good stuff, Japanese food. Get ready because your taste buds are about to go on an unforgettable adventure. Japan is a food lover's paradise, and the variety, the quality, the presentation, it's all just on another level. From world-famous dishes to hidden local specialties, there's an endless array of deliciousness to discover. First things first, let's talk about some of the icons. Of course, there's sushi and sashimi. Fresh, expertly prepared, it's an art form. Whether you go to a high-end sushi-ya or a fun conveyor belt sushi, kaiten sushi restaurant, the quality of the fish is often outstanding. Then there's ramen. Oh, that rich, savory broth, those springy noodles, the tender slices of chashu pork. Every region, even every shop, has its own unique style of ramen shoyu, soy sauce, miso, tonkotsu, pork bone, shio, salt. Trying different types of ramen is a quest in itself. And trust me, it's a delicious one. And don't forget other noodle dishes like udon, thick wheat noodles, and soba, buckwheat noodles, served hot in a flavorful broth or cold with a dipping sauce. They are comforting, satisfying, and so good. But Japanese cuisine is so much more than just sushi and ramen. You have to try tempura, lightly battered and deep-fried seafood and vegetables, so delicate and crispy. Yakitori, which are grilled skewers of chicken, and sometimes vegetables, seasoned perfectly and cooked over charcoal, are amazing, especially with a cold beer. Okonomiyaki, often described as a savory pancake, cooked on a griddle right in front of you, with ingredients like cabbage, meat, seafood, and topped with special sauce, mayonnaise, and bonito flakes. It's fun, interactive, and incredibly tasty. And takoyaki, those little balls of batter filled with diced octopus cooked in special molded pans, a super popular street food. Now, where do you find all this amazing food? Everywhere. Japan has an incredible range of dining options to suit every taste and budget. For a truly local experience, seek out an izakaya. These are Japanese-style pubs, lively places where people go after work to drink sake or beer and share a variety of small, delicious dishes. Get ready for number 2 on our list, which is Japan's public transportation system is, in a word, incredible. It's efficient, punctual, clean, and incredibly extensive. It's one of the best in the world, and it will be your best friend for getting around and exploring all the amazing sights. The backbone of this system is, of course, the trains. From the sleek, super-fast Shinkansen or bullet trains that connect major cities, to the intricate network of local and subway lines within cities, trains will get you almost anywhere you want to go. They are so punctual you can practically set your watch by them. The Shinkansen experience itself is something you have to try. These trains are not just fast. They are incredibly smooth and comfortable. Imagine whizzing past Mount Fuji at speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour. That's nearly 200 miles per hour, while sitting in a spacious seat. It's an adventure in itself. For longer distances between cities like Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, and Hiroshima, the Shinkansen is an absolute game changer. Booking tickets is relatively straightforward, and you can often do it at stations or even online in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak seasons. Now, for navigating within cities, you'll be relying on local JR, Japan Railways trains, and subway systems. Cities like Tokyo and Osaka have vast networks that can seem a bit daunting at first, with all the different lines and colors on the map. But don't worry, signage is usually excellent, with English translations available in most major stations and tourist areas. Apps like Google Maps or Japan Travel by Navitime are invaluable tools for planning your routes, telling you exactly which lines to take, where to transfer, and how much it will cost. After a long day of exploring, you'll need a comfortable place to rest, and Japan offers a fascinating range of accommodation options, from traditional to ultra-modern. One unique experience is staying in a ryokan, a traditional Japanese inn. It's an immersion into Japanese hospitality and culture. Many ryokans feature onsen, natural hot spring baths. On the other end, capsule hotels offer individual sleeping pods. They're budget-friendly and efficient. Japan also has a wide range of Western-style hotels. And last but most important is understanding and respecting local customs, which is key to a positive experience in Japan. Japanese culture values politeness and harmony. Bowing or ojigi is fundamental. A simple nod or slight bow shows respect. Public transport is quiet. Avoid loud conversations and phone calls. Remove shoes before entering homes, temples, and traditional places. Use provided slippers indoors, sometimes even separate ones for restrooms. It's all about keeping the inside clean. So there you have it, folks. 4 important tips for your first trip to Japan. From navigating that amazing transport system, diving deep into the incredible food scene, and finding the perfect place to stay. I truly believe that with these insights, you're now prepared to have an absolutely epic first adventure in Japan. Remember to embrace the new experiences, be open to learning, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone a little. That's where the real magic happens on any trip. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and as they say in Japan, Itterashai, have a good trip.